Okay, bagus.
Sudah close waktu GU naik balik.
But sometimes itu yang kita kadang-kadang susah sebab kadang-kadang GU ni, GU, GJ, even gold pun dia punya retracement tu kadang-kadang dia boleh berlaku junam tu boleh terus. Jadi kita kalau kita untuk close awal takut dia junam balik. GU pun sama. Kadang-kadang kita dah close lepas tu baru dia junam. So that part is very difficult to control. That's why kalau you all ini yang saya just tambah sedikit, itu yang kadang-kadang orang kata kalau kita layer tu adalah teknik yang lebih baik ataupun you close partially adalah teknik yang baik so that you don't lose out the opportunity. Maksud saya siapa yang faham, maknanya contoh saya ada 3 layer dekat GU saya sell, maybe satu layer dekat bawah tu saya dah close ataupun 2 layer, dalam top layer saya masih hold supaya bila dia turun lagi 50 atau 100 pip saya still boleh enjoy the profit. That's why ada orang putih biasa dia cakap let your winners run, okay, and cut your losers short ataupun cut your losses atau keep your losses small, okay. But of course it's all easier said than done sebab bila kita ada entry floating biru kita biasa ABC. Kalau entry merah kita biasa apa asal AMH, asal merah hold. Okay,
Jadi
so
swing.
this part apa dia? Swing. Kalau
Jadi
merah kita
swing
swing. Jadi swing trader. Okay, but again it is biasa semua trader, not only Malaysian trader, rata-rata semua trader akan buat sebab this is where emotion ataupun kita panggil fear and greed, okay, comes in. This is where broker makes lots of money from retail traders. Sebab dia tahu trader kebanyakannya dia asal biru close. Jarang-jarang, kalau ada pun adalah very small percentage of traders dia ni. Sebab tu apa kata swing traders not so many dalam retail traders. That's why example, okay, saya tak nak sebut, I think kebanyakan broker maybe dia bagi orang kata affiliate ataupun some kind of a commission supaya kita close cepat after 5 minutes atau 10 minutes of the trade untuk enjoy affiliate, that kind of thing, so that broker pun tak lose. Sebab kalau kita hold lama kita boleh orang kata profit banyak sedikit. Jadi dia pun tak nak ni, jadi dia bagi other kind of incentive ataupun gula-gula supaya kita pun orang kata lalai. Ataupun sekarang ni apa ayat dia orang pakai ya? Kita je selalu lalai. Something like that lah. Okay. Okay, so back to kita punya serious stuff. Okay, EJ, let me show on the bigger time frame for this because I think it's quite interesting. I think this part we have been talking for some time, and the middle of this level about 131 plus atau 132, market JPY gained strength in the last 3-4 days. Of course, this is due to the market fear. I wouldn't say really market recession punya fear, but market suddenly trying to orang kata price in what will happen if US dollar increase the rate, whether it's going to cause recession ataupun apa tu global index stocks semua apa orang kata ada effect. So all this when happening, so that's why JPY gain a bit of a strength to certain extent, so dia tengah push. Tapi nevertheless still on a bigger picture JPY still weak, okay. So I'm expecting EJ to make a bit of a bigger pullback, okay, compared to GU ataupun AU tadi. This pullback might be a bit bigger. That means it can be 100 or 150 pips or even can be 200 pips sebelum turun bawah, okay, or dia turun bawah sebab JPY still weak, okay. But again, the market sentiment if improve next week, then we will see this move bigger. But in let's say about 1-2 months, I think this move might happen because JPY orang kata market, I think stock market, not to say going to crash, okay, tapi tanda-tanda dia akan buat bigger correction is already there. I think we talked about it about 1 or 2 months ago. At the beginning of end of the bullish cycle for stock market. So 2022, the last 3 weeks, we are seeing Apple, we are seeing Amazon, especially Nasdaq. I think a big drop. Okay, so this is going to continue for some time. So that will give JPY more boost, something like this. But whether it's going to happen in the next 2-3 weeks or it's going to happen after 2 months, okay, we don't know. Okay, it's a question mark. But still, JPY sometimes have to pick up this strength depending how stock market react. Tapi sekarang stock market maybe rebound a bit. So that means we are expecting EJ, GJ or UJ to all to go up ni. Tapi sometime later they have to make a deeper pullback ataupun deeper correction. So this part, whenever it goes up, you guys see some kind of rejection around this zone, especially let's say at 131 ataupun 132 on the extreme side, just exit the market and then try to swing sell EJ. Okay, Bun?
Okey, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So, itu analisa untuk EJ. Okey, next kita ada permintaan daripada Tuan Syahril untuk EU, Cikgu.
EU. Skrin saya masih on kan? Ataupun
Belum.
saya dah stop?
Tak ada.
Belum Okay.
Dah tak ada.
Dah tak ada dah. Okay, EU. Okay, EU. I think last week I mentioned EU suddenly dia gain dia punya own strength temporarily. Okay, so dia ada break sedikit, but of course at this level 1.1480, okay, dia kena reject lah. Okay, because this sideways was quite some time, I think 1 round plus, and then dia ada breakout sedikit, and then dia move balik ke basically masuk balik dalam kotak dia lah. Okay, so this move right now I think is similar to GU. We are expecting EU to move up a bit. Okay, just a bit ni. Okay, and probably is going to come down, but we are not sure it's going to break. Unlike GU, maybe EU on a bigger time frame, they still might be ranging between 115 up to this 112 punya zone, maknanya dalam 300 pip, because we are not sure it's going to break this level. Unlike AU, we are seeing maybe there will be a bit of a breakout of support. Tapi EU, I think 112 might be still holding. That means EU might be although US dollar going to strengthen, okay, tapi Europe pun dia sekarang ni I think the lockdown is also not so bad. Okay, they are already easing lots of restriction, etc. So EU is picking up the strength. Okay, so with EU slightly stronger, tapi US dollar more stronger, I think it will be just coming down and then probably hovering around this range. Okay, I don't think you might break this level. Neither it breaks 115. Okay, so I would say EU probably for some time will be ni lah. Then later part only we probably see breakout ke atas ataupun ke bawah. So this part at this point I don't know, but I would say more of this move maybe until March, until the FOMC bila dia raise maybe 50 basis point, then this might be possible they break out ke bawah. So that means for next 2-3 months, I would say might be ding dong antara dua ni lah. Okay, Bun?
Okay, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So, itu analisa untuk pair Euro USD